Look up at the night sky. Billions of stars shimmer like eternal flames, a silent promise that the universe is alive, infinite, and everlasting. But here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not. The universe is dying, slowly, patiently, inevitably. Every beam of starlight you see tonight is a whisper from the past, a flicker from a dying age of cosmic youth. We live in a brief golden moment between birth and oblivion, and one day, all of it will end. Sounds dramatic, doesn't it? Don't worry. You've got a few billion years left to finish that snack before the apocalypse. Yet, scientists aren't joking. The universe really is on a one-way path, a journey that began with a bang and will conclude with something far more silent. Today we'll explore how everything, galaxies, stars, even time itself, might vanish. Welcome to the end of everything you know. For centuries we believed the universe was static, timeless. Even Albert Einstein thought so, once adding a cosmological constant to his equations just to keep the universe from collapsing. But then came Edwin Hubble, peering into the heavens in the 1920s. What he saw changed everything. Galaxies weren't sitting still, they were racing away from each other. The universe wasn't frozen, it was expanding. That discovery planted the first seed of cosmic mortality. Because if the universe had a beginning, the Big Bang, then it must one day have an end. It's like realizing your favorite movie actually has credits. You just don't know when they'll roll. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, ancient yet still young in cosmic terms. But the clock is ticking. Stars, like living things, are born, age, and die. Our sun is halfway through its life, destined to swell into a red giant, devouring Mercury and Venus, perhaps even brushing Earth. Humanity may not be here to see that. But even if we survive, the bigger picture is grimmer. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. Some invisible force, what we call dark energy, is stretching space itself faster and faster. Galaxies are drifting apart so quickly that billions of years from now, each one will be isolated in darkness, unable to see any other galaxy at all. What happens to a universe when it becomes too empty to share its own light? Imagine a future where the last star flickers out, where the night sky is truly black. This is the fate most scientists believe awaits us. The Big Freeze. In this ending, the universe keeps expanding forever. Stars burn their last fuel and die, leaving behind white dwarfs and black holes. With no new stars forming, galaxies grow cold, barren, and lifeless. Over trillions of years, even black holes will evaporate, slowly radiating away through Hawking radiation. Think of it as the world's slowest magic trick. Poof! But over a few quadrillion years, eventually space will be a sea of darkness. No light, no heat, no motion. Every atom stretched so far apart that nothing interacts anymore. It's called heat death, but ironically, it's a death by cold. No stars, no galaxies, no meaning, just silence. But what if the universe doesn't fade away? What if it collapses instead? In another version of the story, gravity takes back control. The expansion slows, stops, and reverses. Everything, galaxies, stars, dust, and even light, begins to fall inward, like an ocean wave folding back on itself. Temperatures soar, matter compresses, and the universe collapses into a single fiery point, the Big Crunch. In this version, the end mirrors the beginning, a cosmic circle where death and birth are one. Kind of poetic, isn't it? The universe recycling itself like it's hitting the cosmic reset button. Maybe we're all just part of an infinite loop. Bang, crunch, repeat. But the evidence so far doesn't seem to support this. Dark energy appears to be too strong. Instead of pulling things back together, it keeps pushing them apart. And that leads us to the most terrifying scenario of all. Picture this. Galaxies are torn apart. Then stars, then planets, then atoms, until even the fabric of space and time itself splits open. This is the Big Rip, a violent, unimaginable end driven by dark energy that grows uncontrollably. Every 10 billion years the acceleration doubles, until no force in the universe can resist it. In the final seconds, even atoms are ripped apart. And when space itself unravels, there's no before or after. Time ends. On the bright side, at least you won't have to worry about paying your bills by then. Scientists don't know if the Big Rip will truly happen. It depends on the nature of dark energy. But the equations whisper it could. Unless, of course, something even stranger is waiting beyond time. In the final frame of cosmic time, there will be no galaxies, no stars, no planets, not even atoms, only endless darkness. And yet, somewhere within that silence, the echo of everything that once existed will remain. Not in light, not in matter, but in the simple truth that it was. Because existence, even temporary, is the rarest miracle of all. The universe began with a sound, a roar of creation. It may end in silence, but in that silence lies peace. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe for the next one.